My name is Xuanning Chen. I'm from China, and I usually work with electronics. I do electronic art and music. Yes, I make some instrument installations, and sometimes I do performance. I'm here in Salzburg for the residency here, and I bring my project. It is called Cute, and here I made a prototype of the project. The background of the project is about the special Chinese culture. The culture is called cut. Like 20 years, 10 years ago, when internet music was not that popular at the moment, China imported the plastic waste from Western country, and those music lovers collected some of the plastic waste, which are the CDs, vinyls, and tapes, and they use this way to get contact with foreign music, and the symbol of those waste there is a cut in the plastic. Nowadays, less and less people is still using this way to collect music. But when I'm here in Europe, I told this culture to the European people, but European people didn't know that. So I want to use this chance to make a story to let the foreigners know about the culture. This is the Cute version 1, and here you can see here is the plate for the cut CD, and there is the MIDI output, and this is the CV output, and here is a motor. You can rotate the plate and adjust the speed and the direction. Here is the color sensor. You can adjust the position of the color sensor. The color sensor detects the color of the CD, the print, and it calculates the frequency of the color of the light, and it maps the frequency into MIDI signal, and the MIDI signal controls Ableton Live to create sound.